Are you in the market for a portable gaming powerhouse in 2025? Look no further, because the ASUS ROG ALLY X has set a new standard for handheld console. Whether you're an avid gamer or just someone who needs a top tier performance on the go, this is the device to consider. Let's dive into why the ASUS ROG ALLY X should be your next gaming companion. From cutting edge performance to ultimate portability, this handheld console is built for the future of gaming. First, let's talk about the performance. The ASUS ROG ALLY X is powered by the latest AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme chip, making it one of the most powerful handheld game devices on the market today. With this powerhouse under the hood, you can run AAA titles, high-end graphics, and multitask with ease, all without missing a beat. Imagine playing graphically demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Horizon Forbidden West on a handheld system that is just crazy on its own merit. To even get these games to run and be completely playable, thanks to its AMD RDNA free graphics and 24GB of DDR5 RAM, the ROG ALLY X ensures that you'll get the best visual quality and fluidity wherever you are. Not only is it powerful, but it's also comfortable to hold and use. The ergonomical design of the ROG ALLY X ensures that even long gaming sessions won't cause discomfort, especially if you add a grip case. This thing is comfortable. With responsive buttons, customizable triggers, and haptic feedback, it just feels like a console controller, but with the power of a full PC all in the palm of your hands. Its versatility, you can take it anywhere, but when you're at home, just dock it, and you've got a full gaming PC experience on your monitor or TV. With its USB-C connection and support for display outputs, you can easily transform this portable device into your desktop gaming setup. Just add peripherals, and maybe even an eGPU, you have yourself a very capable gaming PC. This device could be the key for a new gamer into PC gaming, with the feel of portability and power all in one. So whether you're playing solo, with friends, or streaming your gameplay, the ROG ALLY X seamlessly connects to your existing gaming environment, making it the ultimate hybrid device for any gamer. And of course, portability. The ASUS ROG ALLY X is compact enough to fit in your backpack or carry-on bag, allowing you to take your games with you wherever life leads. With its long-lasting 80 watt-hour battery, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted gameplay on the go. And when you do need to recharge, the ROG ALLY X features super fast charging, getting you back to the action in no time. And let's not forget, despite its high-end specs and premium build, the ASUS ROG ALLY X is competitively priced for 2025. Offering you incredible value for money compared to other gaming devices on the market. I managed to pick mine up off eBay for £600, which is fantastic. Okay, it's now not the most powerful handheld on the market currently, but if you had a £1,500 budget, go for it. But bang for buck, the ALLY X is now in the sweet spot. So, whether you're a competitive gamer or just someone who loves to enjoy the best gaming experience while on the move, the ASUS ROG ALLY X is the device you need in 2025. Power, portability, and performance, all in one sleek, cutting-edge package, but also for a reasonable price. What else do you need? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.